Hello student, my name is Rajna Dubey. I am starting topic basic trigonometric ratio. There are 6 trigonometric ratio: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, cosecant, secant. Sine can be written as sin, cosine cos, tangent tan, cotangent cot, cosecant cosec, secant sec. All 6 trigonometric ratio work in right angle triangle. Opposite side of angle 90 degree is hypotenuse. That is AC. But perpendicular and base are interchangeable according to their angle. If we taking angle C, then what is the perpendicular and what is the base? Opposite side of angle C is perpendicular, that is AB. Okay, and adjacent side of angle C is base, that is BC. If we take angle A, then perpendicular is BC because opposite side of angle theta, and adjacent side of angle A is AB, that is the base. So perpendicular and base are interchangeable according to their angle, but hypotenuse is fixed. So let's see in the trigonometric ratio what their values. We take angle C as a theta. So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? Opposite side of angle theta. Opposite side of angle theta. Or what is the hypotenuse? Opposite side of angle 90 degree. That is AB upon AC. Cos theta, base upon hypotenuse. What is the base? Adjacent side of angle theta. Adjacent side of angle theta and opposite side of angle 90 degree. What is the adjacent side of angle theta? That is BC. And hypotenuse is AC. Tan theta, perpendicular upon base. Okay. If we take perpendicular as a perpendicular upon hypotenuse and base taking base upon hypotenuse, then what we find? Tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. We can write it the perpendicular upon base. So sin theta is what? AB upon AC, and cos theta is what? BC upon AC. Is going to AB upon BC because AC and AC cancelled out. So tan theta perpendicular upon base, how it come, how it derived it from sin theta upon cos theta, and what is the value of it, AB upon AC. Similarly, cot theta, base upon perpendicular, it is the reciprocal of tan theta, means 1 upon tan theta. So what is the value of the it, that is BC upon AB. Sec theta, that is the hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base, that cos, so it is the reciprocal of cos theta, so 1 upon cos theta. So value of sec theta is AC upon BC. Next and last trigonometric ratio, that is cosec theta. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular, it is the opposite, reciprocal of sin theta, that is 1 upon sin theta. So it is going to AC upon AB. So after sin theta is perpendicular of hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC in this triangle, and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon BC, and ratio of the sin theta upon cos theta. If we taking the cot theta as in terms of the sin and cos, cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta, right? And similarly, we can write the similarity, a relationship between sin theta and cosec theta. Sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta, and cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta, right? So this is the basic trigonometric relationship we have learned in this class. Thank you.